Good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your video to YouTube and tell you the basic things you need to know while uploading your video to YouTube. So this time around we'll do it in a simpler way by using the YouTube application and the YouTube studio only. So get started. Firstly, we open the YouTube app. At the upper right hand corner, if you've not registered before, if this is your first time of creating your own channel, you need to click that point. Mine show my picture because I've uploaded my picture. Yours it might show your first name. Yes. So assuming I have not uploaded my picture, it will actually show me on that icon. You will see it as O because Obafemi is the first name you see there. Now you make sure you log in your details. After that is done, you cancel this. Now to upload the video, there is a particular video I want to upload. Let me show you the video first. This is the video today. Yes, this video, the one of 0.12 seconds. That's the video I want to upload to YouTube for this tutorial. So what I do is I open the app. Now you could see beside the search button, before the search button, you could see an icon that looks like a camera. You select on it. Okay, now this is the video. You can see 0.12 seconds. So I select on it. Likewise, you can also record live and many more. But
Congratulations,
for this tutorial,
Sister Mary, on your wedding. I wish you a happy married life.
How we could upload our video to YouTube. So you can also add some effects. You could add some music. Add music. Though I am using what do we call it? I'm using an iPhone. So for iPhones, we need to buy the music from iTunes, and I don't do that because I'm not a fan of music. To that, since I can have my Android phone and download music from my Google Play, so why would I do that? So nevertheless, so the next thing we'll do is after you select the video, now it will ask you, do you want to trim? If you decide to send the whole video, all well and good. If you decide not to send the whole video, no problem. So you click on next. Let's go down for it.
Congratulations.
Click on next. Okay, so at this point now, you notice something. Title. The title simply means the name, the title you want to give, the name you want to give to that your video. That's the name people will see first before they watch the video. So let me name it marriage. Let me name it celebration or congratulation. Wedding congratulation. So then now description simply means what does the video is all about. What's the video all about? So let me say this is one of our videos created by animation or anything, just to talk about. Okay, since we're talking about wedding congratulations, a friend of Mary went home to greet Mary. Are you with me? A friend went to congratulate maybe on our wedding, on our wedding. So that is that. Now there are other things you still need to know about this description, which we are still going to talk about in our next videos. Are you with me? So the next thing now is privacy. Now this privacy, once I select it, now this is what you see there in your own first. Public simply means, let's look at it, anyone can search for and view. That is, when anyone search for a video relating to your title, are you with me? Yes, they can search and view your video free of charge. That is, you give it to everyone to watch, just like Facebook will ask, do you want to upload your photo to the public to view, or to your friends alone, or to yourself alone? Now the next one is unlisted. Unlisted simply means anyone with your link can view. Yes, it means even though you search for that video, you've actually hidden the word video, that you don't want everybody to view it. You only want few people to view the video. Why private simply stands for only you can view the video. That is, if you have a video, you notice that okay, you use it to teach, like my video that I do use to teach the cartoon, creating of cartoon. Yes, I kept it as unlisted because I don't want people to get access to it unless they make their payment. So after I'm through with the tutorial link that I've taught that students, are you with me, those who are interested in learning the videos, then I click on private to lock the video, so that even though the person I just taught send that same link to another person, once the person tap on it, the video will not play. It will report that the video has been the video is private, something like that. So now this is let me take as public. Are you with me? Then your location, you can just leave this one alone for now, doesn't mean. So next you click on upload. So at this point, let's wait for it. The first one you see is what is uploading. So these are varieties of video that I've done so far. Are you with me? Now each video has its own link. Are you with me? Each video has its own its own link, which you could which people can actually you could send to people. They watch your video and they gain access. Are you with me? Now you could see, look at these ones. Look at the one, this 3D video part 1, part 2, part 3. You notice something like a padlock. That's our private. I've turned to private. So anyone that has my link and watch it without my consent, that wants to watch without my consent, will not be able to get access, because I've actually locked the video. You get it? So it's still uploading. Let's still wait for it to upload finish, so that we can actually proceed to the next stage. Now why is uploading? Are you with me? Let me use this one as an example. Let's assume it as the video has uploaded finished, and I want to change this public to private or to unlisted. Are you with me? What I'll do is I'll set on the 3 dots very close to the video. Okay, then select on edit, so I can actually delete the video also. Are you with me? Select on edit. Now edit, I can change this to this privacy to anyone I prefer. Do you get it? So once that is done, then I click on save. So then that is it. So the video is still uploading, and that's how we actually what do we call it, we create our we upload videos to YouTube. So let's see, it's still uploading. Okay, now yes, so you just give it some time, let's say like 2 seconds, refresh it again, refresh it, then that is it. You could see no view, that means no one has viewed my video yet, because it's just latestly released. Now let's now see how you could copy your link to people. The same thing, select on the three button, select share, that is the link you want people to get access to. So I'll just select on copy. Are you with me? So I could have a copy of that link. Now I was open my WhatsApp application, my WhatsApp. Though I have a private page I use for my background notes and other things. So this is Femtech Enterprise. Now once I select on this, I press it down into bit, try to paste what I've just done so far. So let me just wait for it. Now, do you notice something? At the top, you notice, if you see it, wedding congratulations. Remember that was the title we used for the video. You get it? So let's now see. Let's assume I send this to someone. Now, once I tap on the link, it will direct that person to the YouTube. Okay, can you see it?
Congratulations, Sister Mary, on your wedding. I wish you a
The
happy
person
married
starts
life.
watching your video. So that's how to do it. So the next one, we're still going to look at how we could add tags to our video, how we could do other things, and why is it so compulsory for you to tell people to subscribe to your channel and give a thumb up to your video. All these will be covered in our next video. So before the next video, let's minimize this. Your YouTube studio is where it's your background studio where all things are being carried out. Are you with me? Yes, it shows you your progress. It shows you what are expected of you, how is your video growing, how many views do you have, what is the positive impact of your video to the public. Now let's look at this wedding competition we just uploaded. It's edit there. Are you with me? So now we'll notice something. Let me click on edit on this pencil. We are looking at let's look at this. Now, can you see in the YouTube we don't have tag, but in the YouTube studio you have tag. So our next video will talk about tag. What does tag means? Why is it necessary for you to tag your videos? And our next video we're also talking about the description. What are those things you still need to include in your videos? Also, in our next video we'll be talking about thumbnails. Are you with me? So at this moment, I want each and every participant that just watched this video to upload their video and screenshot it and forward to me. Thank you so much. God bless you.